types of computer-based investigations. Introduction. In today's digital world, technology is deeply integrated into our daily lives. As a result, crime and security threats have also evolved, making traditional investigative methods insufficient. This has given rise to computer-based investigations, which involve examining digital devices, networks, and online activities to uncover evidence. These investigations help solve both criminal and corporate cases, ensuring justice and security. This lecture explores the different types of computer-based investigations, their importance, methodologies, challenges, and real-world applications. 1. Understanding digital forensics. Digital forensics is a specialized field within forensic science that deals with retrieving, analyzing, and preserving electronic data. It plays a crucial role in law enforcement, corporate security, and even personal cybersecurity. The goal of digital forensics is to uncover evidence from digital devices while ensuring its integrity so that it remains admissible in court. Key principles of digital forensics. 1. Preservation, ensuring that digital evidence remains unaltered. 2. Acquisition, extracting relevant data using forensic tools. 3. Analysis, examining files, logs, and metadata to reconstruct events. 4. Documentation, recording findings and reports for legal proceedings. 5. Presentation, providing expert testimony in court if required. Forensic experts must follow strict protocols to avoid compromising evidence, as mishandled. Digital data can be rendered inadmissible in court. Two. Categories of computer-based investigations. Computer-based investigations generally fall into two major categories. 1. Criminal investigations, conducted by law enforcement agencies to solve crimes involving digital evidence. 2. Corporate investigations, focused on protecting businesses from internal and external digital threats. Let's explore both categories in detail. A. Criminal investigations. Criminal investigations involving computers focus on crimes where digital devices play a key role, either as tools of crime or as sources of evidence. 1. Key roles in criminal investigations. First responders ensure the crime scene and digital evidence are secured properly. Forensic investigators extract and analyze digital data. Law enforcement officials use digital evidence to support criminal cases in court. Cybercrime analysts monitor and investigate online threats and illicit activities. 2. Common types of criminal digital crimes. A. Cyberstalking and cyberbullying. Involves using the internet to harass, threaten, or intimidate individuals. Investigators track IP addresses, social media interactions, and chat logs to identify perpetrators. B. Hacking and unauthorized access. Involves breaking into computer systems to steal data or cause harm. Digital forensics specialists recover deleted files, analyze access logs, and trace unauthorized activity. C. Online fraud and identity theft. Includes phishing scams, fake websites, and fraudulent transactions. Investigators examine bank records, email headers, and transaction logs. D. Child exploitation and human trafficking. Perpetrators use hidden online networks to share illegal content. Investigators use metadata analysis, facial recognition, and dark web monitoring. E. Digital evidence in traditional crimes. Even in non-cyber crimes like murder or drug trafficking, digital evidence, such as mobile phone data or surveillance footage, can play a crucial role. 3. Example case study. A famous case involving digital forensics was the capture of Dennis Rader, the BTK killer. Investigators analyzed a floppy disk sent to the police, which contained hidden metadata linking the file to a church where Rader was a council member. This ultimately led to his arrest and conviction. B. Corporate investigations. Corporate investigations focus on detecting security breaches, insider threats, and compliance violations in business environments. 1. Key areas of corporate digital investigations. A. Employee misconduct. Investigates inappropriate workplace behavior, such as harassment or policy violations. Emails, chat logs, and company device usage are analyzed. B. Intellectual property theft. Companies safeguard proprietary information, such as patents and trade secrets. Investigators check for unauthorized data transfers or email leaks. C. Insider threats. Employees or contractors with access to sensitive data can pose security risks. Monitoring tools detect suspicious downloads or unauthorized access attempts. D. Corporate espionage. Competitors or foreign entities may attempt to steal trade secrets. Investigators look for unauthorized surveillance or hacking attempts. E. Financial fraud and compliance violations. Companies must comply with regulations like GDPR and SOX. Forensic audits uncover financial fraud, bribery, or embezzlement. 2. Example case study. A global tech company suspected an employee of leaking confidential product designs. A. Forensic audit of the employee's device revealed unauthorized USB transfers and encrypted email attachments sent to a competitor. Legal action was taken based on the digital evidence. 3. Challenges in digital investigations. Despite their effectiveness, digital investigations face multiple challenges. A. Encryption and anonymization. Criminals use VPNs, encrypted messages, and the dark web to conceal activities. B. Rapidly evolving technology. Investigators must stay updated on new technologies like blockchain forensics and artificial intelligence. C. Privacy and legal constraints. Investigators must ensure compliance with data protection laws while collecting evidence. D. Volume of digital evidence. Large datasets make it difficult to filter relevant information efficiently. Four. Best practices for digital investigators. To ensure successful investigations, experts should 1. Maintain a proper chain of custody. Any break in custody can render evidence invalid in court. 2. Use specialized forensic tools. In case, FTK, and autopsy are commonly used. 3. Document every step of the investigation. Detailed reports ensure credibility. 4. Stay unbiased. Investigators should examine all evidence objectively. 5. Prepare for legal testimonies. Findings should be explainable in simple terms. Conclusion. As technology continues to advance, digital crimes and corporate threats will also evolve. Computer-based investigations play a vital role in solving crimes, protecting businesses, and ensuring cybersecurity. By mastering forensic tools, legal protocols, and investigative techniques, professionals can safeguard digital landscapes and bring justice to those who misuse technology. Understanding these investigations is crucial for law enforcement, corporations, and even individuals who seek to protect their digital assets. With continuous advancements in forensic science, the future of computer-based investigations remains a dynamic and evolving field that will only grow in significance.